Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Today we study organic chemistry. We study chapter 17, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, it's a branch in chemistry, studies the organic compounds. Organic compounds like what? Like fossil fuel. So fossil fuel, we have three types of fossil fuel: coal, petroleum or crude oil, and the natural gas. Petroleum and natural gas, both of them are made when animals are buried under the ocean floor and over millions of years under the effect of high pressure and high temperature they change slowly. These organisms which are buried underground will change slowly over millions of years with high pressure and high temperature into petroleum and the natural gas. What's about coal? Coal is formed when when dead vegetation buried under thick sediments, and with the pressure and the heat, they slowly change to be coal. Um, so we have some definitions. What is meant by petroleum? Petroleum, it's a smelly mixture of hundreds of different compounds. What is meant by organic compounds? They are compounds that contain carbon and usually hydrogen. Uh, some of or most of the organic compounds are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means compounds that contain only carbon and hydrogen, like these here. All of these compounds here contain only carbon and hydrogen, as you see, only carbon and hydrogen. These are called hydrocarbons. Again, hydrocarbons means the compounds that contain only carbon and hydrogen. And we have three or more, we have different types of hydrocarbons like straight chain hydrocarbons, ring hydrocarbons, branched hydrocarbons, like here. Here, this one, as you see, it's like a straight chain. So this hydrocarbon is a straight chain. This one, the carbon atoms make a shape of ring, make a shape of ring. And here, as you see, the carbon atoms make a branch, this branch here. So this hydrocarbon is called branched hydrocarbon. In fact, petroleum contains a lot of hydrocarbon molecules of different shapes and size with different number of carbon atoms from 1 to over 70. And you may find a compound like C70H142, something like this. Right now, the uses of petroleum. We use petroleum for what? For transport. We burn petroleum in the engine of cars, in trucks, in planes, in ships. Inside the engine, the petroleum is burnt to make energy. This energy will be used for transportation. Also, petroleum is used for heat in factories, in homes, in power stations, and also petroleum is used as starting chemicals to make many other things. This is called feedstock. Again, petroleum can be used to prepare other compounds, and we can make plastic from petroleum. So petroleum can be used to make other compounds. As you know, the fossil fuel like coal, petroleum, natural gas, this is non-renewable resource. What does it mean? This means it cannot be renewed because we are using it up much faster than it can form. This means it will run out one day.